Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find nearby electric vehicle charging stations in Waze. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Waze app and direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open up the main menu. This is where you'll access all of Waze's core settings and features. Once the menu opens, scroll through the options until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to enter the configuration area of your app. This is where you can customize how Waze works for your specific needs, including setting up features specifically designed for electric vehicle drivers. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Vehicle Details. Tap on it to proceed. This section allows you to specify what type of vehicle you're driving, which is crucial for Waze to provide you with relevant information and features tailored to your car. Now you'll see different vehicle type options. Go ahead and select electric vehicles from the list. This tells Waze that you're driving an EV and unlocks special features designed specifically for electric vehicle owners, including the ability to locate charging stations along your route. After selecting electric vehicles, you need to ensure that a specific setting is activated. Look for the toggle that says Turn on EV features and make sure it's switched on. This step is essential because it enables all the electric vehicle-specific functionalities within Waze, including the charging station finder. Without this turned on, you won't be able to access the EV charging options. Once you've confirmed that the EV features are enabled, go back to the main screen of the Waze app. Now look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Tap on the search bar to open up the Search and Categories menu. This is where you can find various points of interest and services near your location. In the search options that appear, you'll see a category specifically labeled EV Charging. Tap on this option. The app will immediately start scanning your surrounding area for available electric vehicle charging stations. This feature is incredibly useful when you're running low on battery and need to find a place to charge quickly. And there you have it. The map will now display all the electric vehicle charging stations near your current location, showing you exactly where you can power up your EV. You've successfully configured Waze to help you locate charging stations whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.